Hello Sir Jem, this is my reflection about self-awareness, but before that, let me introduce myself and my co-members. First, I am Josh Energy Moraga, and this is my co-members. This is Felicita, this is Vincent Sistoso, and this is Abigail Clement, and this is Jane Silao.
Self-awareness means understanding who I am, my thoughts, emotions, strengths, and weaknesses. It's about being honest with myself and recognizing how my action affects others. When I'm self-aware, I can make better decisions, manage my feelings, and grow as a person. I learned that being self-aware isn't always easy. Sometimes, it means admitting my mistake or facing uncomfortable truths, but it's also the first step to become a better version of myself. By knowing myself deeply, I can build stronger relationships, set meaningful goals, and live with a purpose. Self-awareness helps me not just to exist, but to truly understand and improve myself every day. And that's all. Thank you.